Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, The Genius Spot. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind. How to study like a topper. Whether you're gearing up for exams or just looking to improve your study habits, these strategies will help you ace your studies and boost your academic performance. Let's get started. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to improve my grades," say, "I want to score at least 90% in my math exam by the end of the month." Break your goals into manageable chunks. For instance, if your goal is to read a textbook chapter, divide it into sections and set deadlines for each. Find a quiet, well-lit space free from distractions. Make sure it's organized and has all the materials you need. A tidy space leads to a clear mind. Regularly clean and organize your study area to maintain focus. Plan your study time in advance. Use tools like planners, calendars, or apps to schedule study sessions and stick to them. Engage with the material through methods, like summarizing information in your own words, teaching it to someone else, or applying concepts to real-life scenarios. Test yourself regularly to reinforce your learning. Practice questions and flashcards are great for this. Regular, short study sessions are more effective than cramming. Aim for daily study periods to keep information fresh. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind fresh and focused. Get enough sleep, eat balanced meals, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to keep stress levels in check. Schedule time for reviewing past material to reinforce learning and identify areas that need more focus. Regularly assess your progress towards your goals and adjust your strategies as needed. Reflecting helps in staying on track and motivated. That's it for today's video. Remember, studying like a topper isn't just about working harder but working smarter. Incorporate these tips into your study routine and watch your performance improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on academic success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.